Dahil oras na for your daily dose of Pampagood Vibes dito sa...
Mars!
Iba parang guest ng Mars. Oh yes, Mars! Ay pala ka! I love it! Good morning, everybody! Magkape na yung mga kakagising lang dyan. Tapos sasabahan pa natin ang mga pampagising na chikahan!
At sakto naman dahil heto na rin ang mga kapuso star na makakabonding natin ngayong umaga. Please welcome Rain Matienzo, Alexandra Mendez, and Manolo Pedrosa!
Hello, good morning! Good morning! Nakakapag-gets na umaga pala to. Mars, hindi ka naman. Hanging morning pala ito dapat, Mars. Tayo medyo may kapag lang. How are you? Kumusta kayong lahat? Rain?
Oh, I'm doing well. Sobrang fresh out of lock-in. So, people outside the world.
And Piccolo's doing very well. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you so much. Such a privilege. I hope you could continue watching it, mga kapuso.
Manolo, kamusta ka
I'm
na?
happy to be back in Mars Pamor and to be between these two beautiful women. I just met.
Bulero ka din, ha?
Hindi ka nang sinabi ka ba?
I just met, by the way. So.
Ay, you just met them?
Yeah.
Ang dami mo na sinabi sa backstage.
Diba?
Si Alexandra, anak ni Vanessa Mendez.
This is my first ever guesting
Uy,
on TV.
Yeah.
So she's nervous, she's nervous.
Bibigyan ng Mars pa more. Sana
so
hindi
happy
ka
to be
magsisi na ito yung pinili mong first show na kung saan ka mag-guest. Hindi naman.
Oo
Mag-enjoy ka ito.
Yeah, you'll enjoy.
For sure.
So na-inspire ka ba sa nanay mo? Sinabi ba niya to get into the
Industry.
business, in the industry?
Ever since bata po talaga ako, dinadala ko ng mom ko sa mga taping, ganyan. So super, I've always wanted to be an actor also. Tapos eto na, I'm here, and yay!
Oh, perfect. Dahil feeling ko maraming baong chika itong mga bisita natin. Pwes, simulan natin yan sa kanilang mga real-life at nakakalokang celebrity encounters.
Blind Item Edition! And for
Okay.
this edition, meron tayong randomizer.
Okay.
So, ito.
Who will go first?
Okay, simulan natin ang ating randomizer at makikita natin titigil yan.
Let's see.
At malalaman natin kung sino yung celebrity encounter.
Oy! Sino naka-experience ba nito? Tawa-tawa na. Nakita na namin.
Recently, I had out-of-town work. And kasama yung beauty queen na to.
Okay.
And then, syempre, sa out of town, dinala kami sa masarap na restaurant. And then, we were the last to sit down. Tapos, in front of me was a singer who told me, Manolo, mo po para nahihiya ako to sit in front of the beauty queen. So,
Okay.
syempre, being the gentleman as I am, I obliged.
Yeah.
I obliged. And then, when I sat down, I realized, ba't walang dinalapag na yung food? Tas,
Walang kubyertos.
sorry. Walang spoon and fork. I realized, ba't walang spoon and fork? Tapos sabi, oh no, kamayan pala dito.
So parang boodle fight level.
Yeah. So
Okay.
parang tama nga pala yung singer. That's why she made me sit first. So, na-conscious ako. And then, I decided I won't ask for a spoon fork just for the experience for the closures. Nagkamay na ako. Tapos, pinagtatawanan ng mga staff. Kasi,
Kasi hindi ka marunong magkamay!
Yeah. Di marunong.
Hindi ka marunong magkamay. Huwag mo ipatakbo lang siya.
Marunong naman. Halata lang hindi mo.
Ay, naku, ang aliw. Okay.